The stuff in here is called mass. It doesn't change. But if I jump, it suddenly feels heavier. It weighs more. Why is that? This is DIY-SCI. Do-it-yourself science. Simple ideas parents can show kids. Remember from episode 102, gravity pulls everything down. Today we'll see what that means for how heavy something feels. We'll need an elevator and a scale. Let's check it out. While the elevator's at rest, I weigh 192 pounds. Whoa, I need to check the scale calibration. Let's go down. My weight is now 204. Now let's try going up. 180 pounds. Nice. But why does it change? Before the elevator moves, gravity pulls on my mass and it registers on the scale as 192 pounds. When the elevator goes down, it accelerates, adding an additional downward force that increases the weight to 204. But when it goes up, the acceleration reduces the effect of gravity a little and my weight goes down to 180. Astronauts get this effect big time at launch. They can experience G-forces from the engine acceleration of more than 3 times the force of gravity. If instead of being on the Earth, I was here, on the moon, I would weigh only 32 pounds. That's because gravity is much less on the moon. Mass, still the same, but the weight, much less. Here's the takeaway. Mass is what you have, weight is the pull of gravity on it. To really feel that this is a real thing, get a backpack, load it up with some books or water bottles, anything you have around the house that's heavy, put it on, and jump. Wow, that's really lighter on the way up and much heavier on the way down. By the way, to be safe, make sure there's not too much weight here for your kids. Mass is how much stuff there is in here. That's always the same, but weight changes. If you're in an elevator, a rocket, or the moon, your weight will be different. That's what you see on the scale and feel in your muscles. So we know weight is measured in pounds, but what about mass? You know your mass? My weight is 192 pounds and my mass is 6 slugs. Seriously. In the imperial system, mass is measured in slugs. Weight divided by 32 provides mass. There's a video link in the description if you're curious where the 32 comes from. All science is done with the metric system. It's much easier for measuring stuff in scientific experiments. In the system, mass is measured in grams for small stuff and kilograms for bigger things like us. Weight, which is a force, is measured in newtons, in honor of Sir Isaac Newton, the guy who rediscovered the laws of motion. We'll cover these in a future episode. Now that you understand mass and weight, we can tackle what would happen if there was no gravity at all. That's next in DIY-SCI 104. Check it out to see how everything we just learned changes in a world without gravity. This is DIY-SCI. Discover science yourself.